Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to do a quick video today of my exhaust, just of how it sounds and how it finally turned out. Hey guys, so just to give you a quick reminder of what my exhaust is made up of, I have some short tube headers that I got off of eBay, just a no-name brand, and then I have the stock cats and Y pipe, and then I did a custom catback exhaust. It's just a 3-inch pipe with a Summit racing muffler that's basically a knockoff of a MagnaFlow muffler. If you're interested in seeing how I made the catback exhaust, I have a video on that. I'll put a link to it, so go check that out. Alright, so this is idling on the inside of the truck. Really not very loud at all. There's a little bit of a drone when the RPMs get between 1500 and 2000 right in there, but it's not terribly loud. This is a bit of a rough road. I just did a video of me showing how to get your tailgate to stop rattling. Go check that out. On these kinds of roads, it's a lot nicer when your tailgate's not rattling. This is cruising at 55. As you can tell, we're at 18 degrees out there, if that's accurate. If you haven't checked out the video of me building the exhaust, go ahead and watch that, and you'll get to see exactly what the exhaust is made up of. Also, for more car videos, just remember to subscribe to my channel by hitting my logo. And as always, remember to like and share the channel. Thanks.